them both slowly, straight down, but not through and through. Separate, dahan-dahan, alright, i-release. Gagawa tayo ng cylinder. I-relax mo lang kamay mo. I-relax. Huwag mong lagyan ng pressure. Ako ang maglalagay ng pressure. Ako ang gagalaw sa kamay mo. I-compress, and then we slide our fingers up. Okay, one more time. Compress, and then we slide. Okay, now we're going to feel it together. All you have to do is slide your hands up. Walang pressure para hindi siya mayupi. Dahan-dahan pataas. Alright, now you are going to shape it. Katulad nila, it's going to be a ball. Itulak nating palabas habang tinutulak, tinataas. Dahan-dahan. There, one more time. Good job.
Good job.